What's up fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this exciting video. In this video I am going to show you make PayPal money work at home. I will show you best 10 apps that will help you to earn PayPal money, and you don't need to cost any money to earn this PayPal money, and it's open for all over the world. I will show you step by step everything what you need to do to make this PayPal money. I'm Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer ClickBank, JViju, and many other high-ticket programs, and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing by online marketing. So guys, first thing is fast. If you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my exciting videos to get latest tips and tricks inside my YouTube channel. And you see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make money by affiliate marketing, by online marketing for a lifetime, for a long time, then subscribe my YouTube channel and watch all of the videos inside here. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month like me, then check my number on recommendation, or check my video description, or check my pin comment. So guys, let's see the best part of this. You see here you can make 20 to $50 per day. You can't make big money, but if you can make 20 to $50 per day, and you can invest this money to learn online marketing to make big money, then you don't need to cost any money to apply those method, applying this task, and you can do everything using your cell phone. Using your cell phone you can do all things here, and you don't need to sell anything, so there no marketing knowledge required here, and you can earn PayPal money, and anyone can do it. If you are a newbie or an expert, you can make this certain amount of money, and you don't need any marketing skill, and it's open for all over the world, so anyone can do it all over the world. Now I will show you all those 10 apps that will help you to earn your PayPal money staying your home. But I again repeat it, you can't make big money using those apps, but you can make a certain money. But if you want to make big money like this, then check my video description. Now you see here the app number on ThreadUp. You can sell your old clothes here and earn a certain amount of money. And then app number 2, slice the pie. You see here is the rating, 450 people rate it, and you can download this app and you can simply earn your PayPal money here. App number 3, Swap. You see here is the rating, 200 2500 or more people rate it, and you can use this app to make PayPal money. When you shop something under this app, you can earn 80% of commission. Okay, then it's the another app, ClickOrder. You see here 11,550 people rate this app, make money using this apps. Okay, app number 5, Rakuten. Get cashback on your holiday shopping. When you buy something online using this app, you will get 10% cashback. Okay, now app number 6, Autopoll. It's a paid survey app. You can review various software. You can make survey, even like do you like Coca-Cola or not, which car you want to buy, this type of survey here, and make PayPal money. You see here 20,000 people review this app. Now app number 6, you see here, Eat Street Biz. It's, you see here, it's one of the most popular app to make PayPal money. You have 53,223 people read this app, and you can install it and earn money using this app. Now app number 8, YouGov. You see here 14,500 people review this app, and it's one of the popular app to earn money just listening music. Okay. Now app number 9, iShareRewards. You see here, it's the most popular app. 66,331 people read this app, and you see here, you can earn PayPal money just taking survey, earn reward, and get fun. Okay. And app number 10, Google Opinion Rewards. The most the most the most popular app to earn PayPal money, it's the Google Opinion Rewards. You see here 201,000 people read this app. You see here, you can simply download this app and apply this app to earn PayPal money. So guys, it's all those 10 apps that will help you to earn PayPal money using your smartphone and staying at your home. And it's the all the popular and the most powerful app, and you can easily earn money using those simple apps. Okay. So guys, that's it, and I again repeat it, you can't make big money using those apps, but if you want to make big money for a lifetime, for a long time, then check my video description or check my number on recommendation. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my exciting videos, all the new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing, and a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So guys, apply all those apps and make PayPal money just staying your home, and you don't need to cost any money to do it, and it's open for all over the world. Any people can do it. So guys, that's it. See you soon in the next video. God bless you. Bye.